Hi dear children, welcome to the GK class. I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you, close your eyes and start praying. Asatoma satkamaya tamasoma jyodirkamaya mrityorma amritam kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay children, this class we are going to revise our first topic, national symbols. So we already seen some of the national symbols in our previous classes, isn't it? So this class we are going to revise the first chapter. So national symbols means national identity element of India. It helps to making a unique image to the world. There are various national symbols with their unique meanings. So India is a great country. It also known as Bharat or Hindustan. It has a long history of rich culture and tradition. So the first symbol is national emblem. The four lines standing back to back on a circular abacus is our national emblem. But only three lines are visible and the fourth one is hidden from the view. These three lines describe power, courage and confidence. This emblem was adapted from Saranath, the lion capital of Empire Ashoka near Varanasi. In the center of the abacus, there is a chakra. It's called Dharma Chakra. This emblem was a symbol of peace and goodwill. It used only for official purposes. The national emblem was the official seal of President of India and state and central government. So the next one, national flag. This tricolor flag with the Ashoka Chakra at its center is our national flag. So national flag is a symbol of pride of our country. There is a three color. The one is saffron, white and green. The saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. The white symbol of truth, peace and purity. And the green represent prosperity, vibrance and life. And the wheel have 24 spokes. It symbolizes the 24 hours. So the Indian national flag represents India's long struggle for freedom and it is a status of India as an independent. So the next one, national currency. Rupees is the national currency of India. The symbol of the rupees is given. So the currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. It's in the form of paper and coins usually issued by the government. The flow of rupees is controlled by Reserve Bank of India. So it comes in different denomination like 10, 20, 100, 500, 2000 and all. So the next one, national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was written by the noble literature Rabindranath Tagore. It was adapted as a national anthem on 24 Jan 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at Calcutta session of Indian Congress. So it is considered disrespectful when a person does not stand or do some other work while national anthem being played. Next one, national animal. Tiger is a national animal. The tiger is a symbol of strength, agility, grace and power. So the Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. This is the most handsome and regal animal found in India. So the next one, national bird. So peacock is our national bird. The peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. It was declared as national bird of India in 1963. So the next one, national flower. Lotus is the national flower. It's a symbol of wealthy, prosperity, spirituality, fertility and knowledge. And most importantly, the lotus that even growing in murky water, it remains untouched from impurity. On the other hand, lotus symbolize purity of heart and mind. So the next one, national tree. So banyan tree is a national tree. It can live for more than 100 years. It symbolizes the country's unity. It gives shelter to many different kinds of animals and birds which represent India and its people from different races and religions, and all are equal. So the next one, a national song. So Vande Mataram is our national song. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and it was taken from the novel Anand Madh. It was adapted as a national song on Jan 24, 1950 and it has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana. It was sung the first time at the Congress session at Calcutta in 1896. So children, you all are well known about some of our national symbols, isn't it? So your today's homework is paste any 3 national symbols in your rough note and write what it symbolizes. So please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after your session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits, vegetables and also go out playing at evening. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in a next session. Bye children. Thank you.